Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Ashley, and on this channel we talk all things budgeting and cash stuffing, including sinking funds and savings challenges. So today is a fun video. We are going to do an unboxing for some new cash envelopes that I purchased from Etsy. So if that's something you're interested in, make sure you stick around for the rest of this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. All right, y'all, let's get to the unboxing. Okay, so y'all know my favorite envelopes, and pretty much the only envelopes I have on this channel are from Caffeine Budgets, and these envelopes, she actually only offers them about once a month now. So when she did a release this couple weeks ago, I just had to jump on it. So let's see what I got. And I always love how she packages everything. It's always so nice and secure, and that is much appreciated. Let's see. All right. So, as always, she does give a few freebies. Little small envelope. This is good to have like in your bag if you want to carry like extra cash or whatnot. A little thank you card, and then cash withdrawal slip. And this is kind of like laminated kind of feeling, so you can use this over and over again. I'm gonna set these to the side. All right, and now let's get into the envelopes. So I've got one for my water bill. I decided to keep this separate from my HOA bill, just because even though they're all paid to the same place, water is only every other month, so I got a new one for that. Last time, for whatever reason, I forgot to get one for my Tone It Up subscription, so there's one there. I did get one for travel. This one I am going to use for the Fuel Up Savings Challenge. And then, of course, I had to get one for Christmas. And then I did just get a generic Savings Challenge envelope too. So let's go ahead and put these where they go in my binders today. So first up is water, and that's over here in my bill binder. So right now I just kind of had this blank one here as kind of a placeholder, and there was nothing in there, so water will now be here. So that's it here. Right over in my subscription binder for the Tone It Up envelope. And that one is here. And I don't have anything in here yet, but I do have my tracker that I'm going to take out. And put that in here. Oh, and that just looks so much better. All right, that's so cute. I love it. All right, so all of my subscription binder is now just so cohesive. I don't know, just having the cohesive feel to my binders just makes me happy. So next up is going to be in my Savings Challenge binders. So first up, let's see, this one's travel, so we're gonna go back over here to the Fuel Up Challenge. So that's gonna go right here. And so let's go ahead and put this here. There we go. Oh yeah, look at that. That looks so much better. Okay. And next up, Christmas. This Savings Challenge binder is getting pretty full here. I almost feel like I need another binder for all my savings challenges, but I know that's silly too. Right, so let's put the Christmas tracker in here. And of course, you know, the money that we have already saved up. So cute. All right, now which one? So July is obviously just going to be for July, so I'm not going to do that one here, but I think I'm going to put the By the Sea challenge in here because that is for the whole summer pretty much. So we'll switch that one out. But I like having this extra envelope for my random savings challenges that I decide to do. So here's that. Cute. I like that. Okay, so that is gonna be that, yeah. So now I just have that one, but like I said, this one will be done in July, but now everything else is just so, it's just so cohesive. I like it. Yeah, I like it. Actually, you know what? I think I might, y'all don't judge me. I think I'm going to switch these ones out, as silly as that is, because this savings challenge over here, which is my credit card savings challenge, it doesn't have like a challenge tracker on it. So I'm gonna do this. That way you can see the By the Seas mini challenge up there first. Okay, because then this one can go like this. And it doesn't matter. There we go. Yes, I like that better. Okay. All right. Yeah, but yeah, now everything is so cohesive and I love it. I mean, is anyone else like that? Like, I feel like everyone has like all these like different envelopes and all of their binders and just like random, but like I like the cohesive feel. I don't know. I'm trying to decide if next time she releases, if I want to like redo my whole Disney binder. But like, other than when I'm saving for a trip, like I don't know if I'm gonna keep this binder as just a full-on Disney binder, or if it's just going to be like another savings challenge binder, because I don't always have a Disney trip planned, but I mean, I'd love to always have a Disney trip planned. So I don't know. What do you think? Let me know. Should I go ahead and start saving up to redo this whole binder too? Let me know what you think down below. All right, y'all. Well, this was just a fun little video that I wanted to put out for you on Monday to kind of, you know, beat those Monday blues, and getting the notifications that my envelopes were in, like, literally made my Monday. So I just wanted to share it with y'all. But I hope you have a wonderful Monday, and make sure you stick around for tomorrow's video. We will be going over last week's spending and budget and, you know, cash unstuffing. So stay tuned for that video, and I'll see you then. Bye.